What is this called? Paperweight. Paperweight. Used to keep papers in place on a desk. What is this called? Binder clip. Binder clip. A clip to hold a stack of papers together. What is this called? Staple remover. Staple remover. A tool for removing staples from documents. What is this called? Letter opener. Letter opener. A small knife-like tool to open envelopes. What is this called? Desk organizer. Desk organizer. A tray or container to hold pens, paper, and small office items. What is this called? File divider. File divider. Used to separate sections in a file or folder. What is this called? Index tabs. Index tabs. Sticky tabs for marking pages in a document. What is this called? Document sleeve. Document sleeve. A clear plastic cover for protecting papers. What is this called? Clipboard. Clipboard. A board with a clip at the top for holding papers. What is this called? Hole puncher. Hole puncher. A tool to punch holes in paper for filing. Stay tuned for more exciting parts coming your way. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.